If your carpets are dealing with deep dirt, stubborn stains, heavy foot traffic, or pet accidents, a regular household carpet cleaner may not be enough. Today we're reviewing the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Commercial Carpet Cleaner with Pet Cleaner Bundle, a heavy-duty carpet cleaning system designed to deliver professional-style deep cleaning at home. It combines a powerful vacuum motor, large capacity tanks, deep cleaning brushes, and pet-focused cleaning solutions. But is this commercial-style carpet cleaner worth adding to your home cleaning setup? Let's find out. The Pro Deep is essentially designed to bring the kind of carpet cleaning machine Rug Doctor is known for renting into your own home. Its industrial-grade vacuum motor is designed to pull embedded dirt, grime, and odors from deep within carpet fibers. The machine uses a straightforward back-and-forth cleaning motion, making the basic operation feel familiar if you've used an upright carpet cleaner before. It's aimed particularly at households dealing with high-traffic carpets, children, pets, and larger cleaning jobs. Let's start with the cleaning performance. One of the biggest highlights is the powerful suction system. Rug Doctor describes the Pro Deep as its most powerful carpet cleaning machine, with an industrial-grade motor designed to extract dirty water and loosened debris from the carpet. That strong extraction is important because deep cleaning isn't just about putting water and detergent into the carpet, it's also about pulling the dirty moisture back out. The machine also features deep cleaning brushes and is designed to clean while moving both forward and backward. There are also digital indicator lights that alert you when the cleaning solution needs refilling or if the brush roll becomes jammed. Capacity is another major advantage. The Pro Deep uses two separate 1.5-gallon tanks, giving you substantial capacity for larger carpet cleaning sessions. The tanks are removable, and the clean water tank includes a built-in solution measuring cup to simplify preparation. The machine also has built-in carry handles and a fold-down handle, making storage more practical than you might expect from a commercial-style cleaner. For the pet bundle, the cleaning system is designed around pet-related messes and odors. Rug Doctor's Pet Deep Carpet Cleaner uses a pro-enzymatic formula designed to target stains and odors associated with pet accidents. That's particularly useful for homes with dogs or cats where ordinary carpet cleaning may not be enough. In real-world cleaning, this is where the Pro Deep makes the most sense. Independent testing has found Rug Doctor's deep cleaning machines particularly effective on stubborn stains, pet messes, and heavily soiled carpet, while strong suction can help remove more moisture and reduce drying time. The machine's bulk is noticeable, but once you're cleaning, the back-and-forth operation is relatively straightforward. The combination of powerful extraction, large tanks, and deep cleaning action makes it better suited to whole room and heavy-duty cleaning than small portable spot cleaners. One thing to remember is that carpet should be allowed to dry thoroughly after deep cleaning, and Rug Doctor recommends using its appropriate cleaning solutions with the machine. So, is the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Commercial Carpet Cleaner with Pet Cleaner Bundle worth buying? If you have pets, children, high-traffic carpets, or large areas that need serious deep cleaning, this machine is definitely worth considering. Its biggest strengths are the industrial-grade suction, deep cleaning performance, large capacity tanks, forward and backward cleaning, pet-focused cleaning formula, and commercial-style construction. The main trade-off is size. This isn't a lightweight spot cleaner that you'll grab for a 5-minute spill. It's designed for bigger cleaning jobs where powerful extraction and deep cleaning matter more than portability. For homeowners who want professional-style carpet cleaning capability without relying entirely on rental machines, the Rug Doctor Pro Deep is a serious option. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available bundle deals, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of cleaning machines, home appliances, pet products, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.